Hello and hi everyone, welcome back to your QuickBook accounting tutorial. In this tutorial, um, we have discussed the data of Subway fast food restaurant, and step by step um, we have paid attention to every data which is coming in our way in order to carefully record it in QuickBook. We have observed the chart of account, and after observation the chart of accounts, I would like to discuss the trial balance, the working trial balance, and to see the balance sheet and the company which we have already made. Look at this. We can go to the report, to the company financial, balance sheet, look at the balance sheet standard. This is the company balance sheet as on, we want to see it as on March 31 2019. It will get changed accordingly. This is the bank and cash account section, the account receivable section, the advances, employee advances, and the inventory. Since that we manage inventory and this account company in the cash basis, as we have seen in the previous video, that the sub restaurants may manage their inventory in one particular Excel sheet, which is sent to the Subway regional office in the world by every franchisee, by every Subway franchisee weekly, and the Subway people then receive the royalty of the restaurant accordingly. And that worksheet, actually there are some other important aspects which the Subway experts see. For example, the number of customers that visited the restaurant, and the number of units that is sold in the particular week in order to analyze the sale. So that is why that Excel worksheet is compulsory. Every franchise is bound to refresh it, to fill the data correct, and to submit it to the Subway office. Now we are talking here on this balance sheet of the Subway restaurant company. Look at this total current asset and some fixed asset, allowance for depreciation, the store price, the goodwill of the restaurant, and so is the liability side. Look carefully at the liability side. Here is the sales tax payable, and here is the account payable. The account payable is in fact the total of all the vendors to whom we owe the money is get total and come to the balance sheet. The total is here 233,888. Let me I make it a little bit bigger, like this. Look at the vendor balance summary. Here is all the vendor 2310897. It is all because we want to see it on March 31, like this. So this is the figure which is being quoted in our balance sheet, 2,333,888. This is the total of all the vendors with whom we owe money. So this was the balance sheet. So is the sales tax. Managed sales tax is here. In the banking section is use register, make deposit, employees, vendors, sales tax, manage sales tax, pay sales tax, adjust sales tax due, sales tax liability, sales tax revenue summary, sales tax quote list. So this was the section which is related with the sales tax. On the payment of sales tax and in the adjustment of the sales tax, I would like to discuss it in one another video. In this video we are scheduled to analyze the balance sheet and the trial balance. So let us see the adjusted trial balance. We can find it here, the Accountant.thanks adjusted trial balance. We run the report and we can see here the report on from 1st March to 31st March. This is the trial balance, adjusted trial balance. This is the total of the trial balance. Debit, credits, then the adjustment of debit credits, and then the adjusted balance debit credit. Look at this. For the purpose of company analysis, we see this trial balance, the transaction analysis, to find out the total position of the company. And from this trial balance, half of the data is appearing in the income statement and half of the data is appearing, or you can say that the related data of balance sheet is displayed in the balance sheet. For example, the asset, the owner equity and the liabilities are going to the balance sheet. The income and the expenses are displayed in the income statement. I hope you guys understand this. The balance sheet section, here is the shortcut given to the balance sheet. These are the memorized reports. In the report section, when we discuss reports, then we will finally see these reports, and we'll also then discuss that how can we make and customize our own reports. And here in the Accountant.thanks, we can see the adjusted trial balance. So guys, I think I hope you found this video helpful in your field, and if you feel any question, kindly write to me in the comment section. I will surely give you a reply and I will try to clarify the situation. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video, thank you for being with me. Take care, bye bye.